What is up, guys? Let's get right into this day. Cam's still not working. Oh, this is what our setup looks like now. This thing ever. Getting an eye problem again. I gotta call the doctor to make an appointment. Probably tomorrow. Excuse me, sorry. Alright. Hopefully our eye doesn't mess up our trading today. Huh? If we get a good signal bar for you, I'm selling. It's too far away. Oh, I just realized I didn't record. Yeah. I really like this out here. I would imagine a lot of people are gonna go along here. Sheesh. Okay. Yeah, I really like this. Couldn't see the minute chart, to be honest. Oh boy, we're not even near an EMA. Let's just exit this. My eye. I'm gonna blame my eye for this one. That's all I think about. Maybe we should. Oh, there's a lot of big moves. NT. I couldn't click it. God damn it. Did I record that backwards? I don't think I did. Wow, that was a good exit though. Right? Not too bad. Alright, stop would have been right there. Yep. Wow, that was actually a pretty good scalp. So maybe it was a good thing that we exited at the EMA. Okay, but we sold there due to the fact that it just we have the history of the previous trades here, obviously, and we went short here. I think everybody would continue to go long, but as soon as they all did, they all went long. Then since everyone went long, the market reversed on them and the market started playing this range. And usually if a market plays this range, that means we have breakout traders, people who try to break out this way, and people who sold here, which is why I pushed that way. And here you're just a little bit too early to play a range. You see the bouncing, so people sold there and then it pushed down now. And as soon as it started to push down back this way, we have a little bit of evidence that it's going to play out as a range. So that's just a little bit. But as soon as we pushed out through here, people assume that, hey, there's people who are playing a range. Let's go against them and I'm going to go for the buy. So just based on the way the market is, so people know that a range exists and they like to trade against it. That's the reason a range works. So at least that's what I think. That's why we sold here at least. And for a nice little scalp. Got a lot more than we should have. Just based on accidents. Not gonna take this one. It's just a little bit too far. I do like this buy here. Just make it fair. We are bouncing off the EMA. I think enough people went short here that we can wait this out. Very nice. Very nice runner. So the reason we bought here is just due to the fact that people are being kind of rebellious today. And you see this low, you see it's supposed to happen again, but people want to go for the big scalp all the way back to the other side and just play out the range. And a little bit of evidence that that might just work out. It's just a little subtlety. If you saw something that was way more support, it may not work out as good, but it's a little subtle support there that not a whole lot of traders may see in their charts. But yeah, the L we took for here, I'm just gonna slap here because we were supposed to get stopped out like right there. Swing that first entry, I like that. I think people are being super rebellious and going short. I think a ton of people went short. Oh, a ton of people did go long. They just got all stopped out as well. There's a lot of people trapped here. think I want to go for a sell actually. It's maybe the wrong play here. So I'm going to minimize as much as I can. Yeah, this feels like the wrong play. Good minimization though. It seems like, yeah, it seems like it would have done a really big bounce. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, a little bit too big for us. We had the right idea, but it was just gonna do a bit too big of a bounce. And yeah, I think that to some degree, one tickers aren't such a bad, or doing 4-point entries aren't such a actually no, this one was a nice one ticker. We'll just stick with the one ticker. So the idea behind that trade, even though we would have got stuffed out, is just due to the fact that there were too many trap traders there, and you have a pattern that now is starting to get recognized, more obvious. So you can imagine a lot of people going long again, and also being trapped there to really help the trap people who had bought here to get stuffed out. This is a congested second entry. I do like to buy on these guys. Go for the full stop here. Drinking some nice coffee. Come on, maybe reverse. No. Damn it. I think we might have had the right idea again, but as long as we have the right idea. Oh, sorry, it's about to give you a second entry here. No, this is a buy. The VWAP has failed way too many times, and it just seems like people think it's unlikely for it to come back up to the highs based on the holy crap. Did we just become part of the 90%? I think we did, fellas. Damn it, NT. So it seems like we're also trying to be rebellious. Seems like people are just trend chasing now, back to the highs here. The most rebellious thing to do is to go short there, and it seems like that's exactly what we did. Most people just went short there. I mean, went long there apparently, and tried to stop out people who were going short. Or were they just trend chasing? Probably just trend chasing. Let's not make it too complicated. Yeah, if they're just trend chasing now, which it seems like, actually no. There's something else we missed, I think, in that last trade. Maybe they are trend chasing now. This is not near an EMA technically, but we're gonna use this as in, like it's bouncing off this EMA. If we take a look at that minute chart, you can see we're bouncing off that SMA. I do like this buy because it seems like people are going to try to push the market down here. this might be too obvious. The support shouldn't break, but it looks like it will. I don't think it's going to break. I just think we're probably too early. If it breaks, I'd be surprised, because there's just too many people selling here. We have these lower highs here that just keep pushing lower. I'm gonna go for a buy again. We got stopped out 2 the tick, which is absolutely crazy. There's a ton of trap people here now. I think we are gonna get a nice, decent scalp here. We're gonna go for break even for now. I'm just gonna set this to the sky. Try to get a decent runner here. I think this is gonna push up to the sky, to be honest. Maybe consolidate a little. Oh, and Tita. Good try, good try. Should have probably exited there. I thought for sure I was gonna skyrocket. There's just way too many trap traders on this high right here. I just could not get there. That VWAP, man. A lot of people sold there. Looks like since we're in this tiny range now, I'm not sure if we'll get the big scalp. So maybe tiny scalps is probably best. Exiting on these, maybe not. I don't know. We'll just keep doing what we're doing, because everybody's just expecting a huge breakout soon. Oh boy. I think this is gonna bounce early, actually. This support is like insanely good. We're bouncing off of this SMA again. I think people think it's for sure going to break this time, which is going to lead to a whole lot of sells. Oh, you know what? There could be a lot of trap traders. Yeah, there's a bunch of trap traders here. After that huge push, a ton of people bought here. Alright, I like that entrance. We're gonna exit at this guy. Or maybe we'll take the full scalp. Alright, we're getting a push. Let's minimize a little bit to that SMA. And we'll minimize to this guy. Alright, we're gonna go for gold. Just break below that low. Break below. Break. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Come to. Come to. I'm actually worried about hitting our goal here. That's why I'm moving it. Holy shoot, this is an insane runner. Nice. Let's go. What an insane runner. Good trade. Good trade. Yeah, that was too many trap traders there, especially after that huge push up. A ton of people started buying. Like, oh, wow, this support is really holding on. Oh, finally. Wow, that support's so good. Let's all buy. Uh-oh. Wait, how come it didn't stop him out? Why is it coming back? Oh, boom. Skadoosh. Oh, oh, what, dude? Dude, are you serious? Was our stop in the right place? It was not. It was supposed to be one tick higher. No, that's so terrible. What? 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 Oh, dude. Oh gosh. Could probably still take this trade on the swing off for a sentry. Would imagine probably be super consolidated here. Not really knowing what to do for me. It's too much consolidation. There's not much evidence of what traders might do here. If we look at a miniature, it's a huge push down. Actually, the miniature did help us today. Looking at where those lows were, like here for the sell, was able to see these lows much clearer and those highs much clearer. And obviously, miniature is much more popular. The uni rank go for 100%. So we can imagine those EMAs being used correctly. You can see that VWAP. Seems like no matter you can't really change the values of VWAP, which is why it makes so much sense to have it into your strategy. So for this, you can change the value this, you change the value this, even our candle bars you could change the values of. But for the VWAP, it's consistent through everybody's chart. If you have a VWAP, which is a lot of traders, it's always going to look the exact same thing, which is why it reacts so fantastically. Whether people think it's going to break through or retest. I mean, that's to the tick right there. That's insane. But yeah, it makes sense to have a VWAP. Alright, now we're getting this huge push here. I would assume most traders would be going short here, just to, yeah, let's go for the buy here. We're in between our EMAs, that usually gives us a nice signal to go for a buy. It might push down a lot farther than we would like though, and then reverse on us, which is why we probably should have done a 4-point entry here, or an entry at the EMA, probably. But I do think this buy is not too shabby. I think it might push down a little bit too far. It's showing signs of strength a little bit too early too. Should have entered at the EMA actually. Yeah, let's exit here. We're gonna get stopped out, I think. No, we'll just take the fall. Hinty. Yeah, I think the buy happens now though. Yeah, let's try it one more time. Let's go for a buy. Actually, we've never done that before. Let's just not create a new strategy on the spot. We're probably just wrong on that one. So, let's see. Maybe people are just trying to trade up back to the highs, trend chasing like normally. To confirm that, we would need a little bit bigger of a push down. So yeah, first entry. I think a lot of people are gonna go long here. Are they being rebellious? The trend chase would be on the downside actually. I have to minimize here. I just think there might be trap traders up there, but I don't know if we'll be able to get all the way up there. EMA is gonna be in the way too. They wanna see how much stick down here. So it seems like a sell. It might be just a little bit too consolidated. Let's take a look at this trade again. Yes, we have first entry. If they're trend chasing, they would be going long, so probably a sell might be best. But there's really no way. I think if they're trend chasing, it could be in either direction, which is why it's consolidating. So we'll just wait. Well, push to go onto the train. Hoping we push back to the side. No way. Yeah, no way, right? Keep pushing up. No. Yeah, there it is. Looks like tiny scalps only now. Honestly, if this was live, we probably would have stopped at that huge scalp right here. How many? $70. Selling against this VWAP because I like it. I like it. Using the VWAP here. I think people might hopefully want to stop out these traders. That's our only guarantee for this one. For this scalp here. So we don't get stepped out. We're gonna take the full loss here. It's break-even day, it's break-even day, you know? Come on, VWAP, don't fail us now. If you imagine, it might be super... just impossible for the markets to do this, like spike up, spike down. Even though it happened a couple times here, it consolidated before it did that, so good chance. Yeah. Wow, all these L's. Let's see what we could have done different. You know, people chasing the market. So people, this one wasn't too bad of a buy. It is just probably scalped out the EMA. And this one, of course. Why don't we take this one? Swing high first century. Oh. Market's working down. Buys. Let's stop out those guys. That would have been a nice scalp. And we sold here. Not too bad of a sell. Probably should have scalped out at the end. Actually, it's not too bad trading. Didn't do too bad. It's just this one was a terrible one, and the other ones are just a little unfortunate. Not bad at all. Actually, do want to buy here. Yeah, there's not much we can do. The moves we're looking for are these huge moves, but obviously our strat doesn't. Obviously that doesn't show up all the time, but our strat really adjusts to those and waits for those kinds of moves. Because even a cell here, we would have got stepped out. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, and a few ticks. Super close to getting stepped out here. And plus, what scalp are we actually looking for here? I think this is still a buy, to be honest, but maybe if we just take it again and just leave our stop way out there. I do think this is a buy 100% because I think there's too many people going for the sell here. To try and stop these guys out or try to trade it back to the other side. I do think this is a buy. This is the most woke I've ever been, like, thinking about this stuff. We would have got stepped out here either way. Well, actually, there's a lot of slippage, so actually not. But if it comes back and stops us out, we deserve it, you know? We'll just call it a break-even day. I just 100% thought this was a buy. Then again, 100% are always 0%. And there it is. Probably take a tiny loss here. Oh, I just couldn't push up fast enough. Might get stopped out here actually. Okay, we'll minimize. Take a 10-ish scalp so we just don't lose any money. Move this to the sky. Wrong way, buddy. Very interesting. VWAP is just holding. I want to buy this. Like, I really want to buy this. I really want to buy this. Maybe for another entry to buy here. The reason being is because it just seems like people are seeing the weakness in the long direction or starting to go short. Now we really want to buy this since it showed a lot of strength on the downside. So need some sort of second entry here. Here's our buy. Really liking this buy here, but just about that. Don't like it anymore. It's just far away from everything. Yeah, it's just so far away. Oh, I thought this was a buy for sure. Interesting. Guess we're part of that 90%, obviously. Man, every single trade we've took so far has been a loser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row. Sheesh. Doing really terrible. Feeling really confident, but terrible. Trading terrible. So imagine, so it looks like people were just trying to go long there. Once again, I think people might actually be trying to go long again. I like this sell here. And it's pulling back really hard. 2, 4, 6, 8. That would have been our stop. It's just too congested. There's another congested second entry, but it wouldn't be too bad to take. I think I would like to buy here actually. This is the last trade. I think we're about to get stopped out here.
Damn British broadcasting communism. Is that Space Boy? It sounds, yeah, that is.
And hey, dude, break even. Shoot, we were up so much. Lost $70 just now. Damn it, dude. We're so terrible at reading. We just get lucky with these giant scalps here. It seems like the market is just super hard to predict right now. It was much easier to predict here up until the point where the market started to slow down at 9 o'clock, which means we're probably overthinking it so much that it's so easy to predict. As a matter of fact, I think that's 100% true. Because here we're thinking, alright, a ton of people are going along to try and play off this because they see the support and they're not going to play. They're not necessarily playing with it. They're just going against the people who are trying to go for the breakout, which is why we go for... Oh wait, we went long. I don't know. So it seems like it's... I don't know what we couldn't even sell there, to be honest. We would have got stepped out there. Yeah. We'll keep trading. Maybe one more trade. Alright, well, seriously, take one more trade. We're gonna try to hit our goal. So if we're overthinking, we're just gonna go against people who are, you know, playing it simple, trying to go long, trying to chasers essentially. We're just gonna go short. Just gonna short. Simple as that. Simple as that. Just go short. Yeah, we're just go short. And we're just gonna go short. We're just gonna go short. Short. How long is this video? Sheesh. A long video, mate. Alright, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Mm-hmm.